how to make an adorable snowflake ornament or garland that you can use to make a bunch of these and make your own custom crochet garland. It's an adorable thing that looks complicated but really works up pretty quickly, and I can't wait to show you this pattern that I made to make this snowflake. So to get started, you'll need your yarn. I'm using pink because we do love a pink Christmas. I'm also going to be using a 5mm crochet hook. You can size up or down to get a bigger or smaller snowflake. And let's get started. What we're going to do is with our yarn and our crochet hook, we're going to fasten on. So make a slip knot. There we go. Put our hook on. Now we're going to chain 5 and slip stitch into that first chain. Now we're going to chain 2, and we have just made a little mini circle. We're going to work into that, okay? So we're going to do 15 double crochets, so we'll have 16 total including that chain 2. So I'm just yarning over, pull through 2, double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over. Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. You're then going to slip stitch the top of that chain 2. Done. Now you can pull on this back tail and kind of close that center a little bit, or leave it how it is. So how you're going to start is you're going to chain 5 once you do your round, skip a stitch, and then a double crochet in that stitch. And then chain 3, skip a stitch, double crochet in the next stitch. Oops. One, 2, 3, skip a stitch, double crochet. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, skip a stitch, double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, skip a stitch, double crochet. So you should have something like this now. Now we're going to chain 3 in the same stitch, do a slip stitch, and then chain 5. And then chain 3 and slip stitch. Oop. This is your first little snowflake decorative piece, and then we're going to slip stitch into the next 2, 1, 2, and then on the third right here at the double crochet, slip stitch, and then you'll chain 3 in the same stitch, slip stitch, close it off, then chain 7. Close close it off to slip stitch, and again chain 3, insert, slip stitch. So it'll be 5 and then 7, 5, 7, 5, 7 with just 3 chains on each side, and slip stitching to that double crochet spot. And again, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, and then slip stitch into the next chain, 1, 2, and then you're at the double crochet, and you will pull up 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, then 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slip stitch, then 1, 2, 3, slip stitch the next 2 stitches. So we got 1, 2, and then the third. This is what we should start having so far. Your snowflake is coming to life. And there we have it. You will then slip stitch down 2, then into the first part where you started, and now you have made an adorable snowflake. And you're going to fasten off, and you are then going to pull through and tighten and weave in the ends, of course, and voila! You've made an adorable pink snowflake. Now you can make a bunch of these and hang them up on a single piece of garland, or you can just grab another piece of yarn and pull it through to make your ornament. So there we go. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make an adorable crochet snowflake ornament. These are really fun for gifts to add as an extra touch on your packaging or paper, or on a little Christmas card, just to add a little handmade touch of love. So that being said, hope you come back very soon for more fun crochet tutorials.